channel Knowledge Star, Continuous Knowledge Excellence. My name is Nisha Masroor. In this video, we will get to know about the deepest points on the earth. Now, our expert Dr. Neelu Nawani, Professor and in charge of Microbial Diversity Research Center, PhD Coordinator, will explain you in detail about this topic. So, to get complete information, watch full video without skip.
Mariana Trench. So let's look at these trenches. These are the deepest points on Earth. In the Atlantic Ocean, you have the Puerto Rico Trench. In the southern, you have the South Sandwich Trench. In the Indian, we have the Java Trench. In the Pacific lies the Mariana Trench, popularly called as the Challenger Deep. And in the Arctic Ocean, it is Molloy Deep. Now, if you look at this, Challenger Deep point is almost 10,900, which has been now revised recently in 2020 to almost 11,000 meters. That is 35,800 feet. So, which means that this is Mariana Trench and this is your Mount Everest, which means if I invert Mount Everest, the Mount Everest can easily submerge in this water. So that deep it is.
Wait. Are you worried about your project, training, dissertation, internship? Don't think too much because Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, in short NSTC, is giving you a golden opportunity to do the same tasks. NSTC also conducts workshops on amazing topics. So if you want to register in the workshop, the registration link is given in the description box below, or you may go to the website www.nanoschool.in, where you can easily enroll in the workshops. So just check it out right now.
And people have visited this particular trench. You can see here something to know more about the history. So these are the two people who were lucky and who had the ambition to travel deep to this particular site, that is Mariana Trench. And this is Lieutenant Don Walsh and the Swiss oceanographer Jacques Piccard. And they traveled in a submarine called as Battlescape Trieste. You can see this is the submarine and this is the tank which is filled with gasoline. And the very interesting story which is associated with them was in 1960, they were the first people to travel to Challenger Deep. Nobody had been to so deep in the ocean. And the pressure inside the ocean at this point would be nothing less than 16,000 pounds per square inch, which is huge pressure. If you go without any protective casing, a person would just explode with that pressure. So they went into this Trieste, the submarine, and they descended and they landed on the floor. And you have to visualize this, what must have happened. When they landed on the floor, there was a lot of dust, the sea floor. So there was a lot of dust and the dust completely spread everywhere near their submarine. So they couldn't view anything much from the viewing window. And the pressure was so great that one of the windows had a crack. It got a crack. And because one of the windows got a crack, they had to immediately leave to reach to the surface very safely. So they spent almost 19 to 20 minutes on the ocean floor. And that was the first success, which was equally celebrated as man first landed on the moon. So it's looking at extraterrestrial, but this is not extraterrestrial. This is right on Earth, but it is still very less navigated.
Hope you liked the video. Here, I would like to give you an important information that Nanoscience and Technology Consortium or NSTC organize the nanotechnology workshops on very interesting topics. Also, I would like to tell you about the initiatives of NSTC in which you can also be a part of, like mentorship, patent commercialization, joint product development, research projects, consultancy services, nanomaterials for your research projects, training programs or customized training programs, workshops or customized workshops. So that's all. If you want to see these type of videos, then please do comment. We will definitely reach out to you. Subscribe to the channel Knowledge Star and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.